guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year guys. I pray that we all have a wonderful year and achieve every good things we set our minds on this year. Thank you all for joining me for this week's Walgreen video, and I'm sorry I did not post any video last week, but I'm back with an easy to do deals and I did not have any register reward, so everything I'm doing today is the coupons I have and I pay the rest out of pocket. Let's see what deals I found. One of the easiest items to pick up at Walgreen this week will be the Walgreen brand sandwich bags. They're on sale for buy one get two free and they are priced at $2.79 each. I picked up 3, paid the $2.79, and you can use Walgreen cash to pay for this unless you're adding these items to a spend booster. But I used $3 Walgreen cash, paid just 1 cent out of pocket, and that made these 3 products just $2.79 or 93 cents each. The next deal I did is on Dove products. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 4, you get back $10 register reward. So I picked up 2 of the deodorants, priced at $5.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $2.99. And to complete this deal, I picked up 2 of the Dove hair care products, 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and it's priced at $5.49 and the second one will be $2.74. These 4 items are going to total $17.26, and I'll be using these coupons I got from my email from Unilever. I'll be using 2 for the hair care, 75 cents off each, and the second 2 coupons I'll be using will be for the deodorants. These are 2 different coupons. If you did not sign up with Unilever, all you have to do is go on their website and sign up, and they will randomly email you coupons, and each coupon you can print it out 2 times. The total for these 4 coupons is $3. That will drop it down to $14.26. I'll pay that and get $10 register reward back, making all 4 of them just $4.26 or $1.07 each. I'll add this to the spend 40 get $10 Walgreen spend booster. That way I can save more. The next deal I'll add to this spend booster will be the Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $5, and when you buy 2 or more, you get $4 register reward back. I'll be picking up 2 of the Colgate sensitive toothpaste on sale for $5, and 2 of them are going to total $10. Check your app because we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5. I'll pay the 5 and get $4 register reward back, making both items $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I have here is the buy 2 get $4 register reward back, and the Oral-B Glide Floss Picks is part of this. That's the 60 count. They're on sale for $5. I'll pick up 1. The second item I'll add to this deal will be the Scope mouthwash. They're on sale for $5. I'll pick up the Scope Outlast. These 2 products are going to total $10. Check your app because we have a $2 coupon for each item. That is going to drop it down to 6. I'll pay the 6 and get $4 register reward back, making both items just $2 or $1 each. The last deal I'll add before checkout will be the Walgreen brand twin blade disposable razor. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 3, you get back $3 Walgreen cash. I'll pick up 3 because it's 2 for 4. That means the third one is going to be $1, and the total for these 3 products will be $5. I don't have any coupon for this, so I have to pay the $5 and get $3 Walgreen cash back, making 3 of them just $2 or 67 cents each. My total for these whole items came up to $42.21. That means I can use my spend booster, the spend 40 get $10 Walgreen cash back. Everything worked out well. All my paper coupons came off and all my digital coupon came off. It dropped it down to me paying $30.21 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back the $10 Walgreen cash for the spend booster and a $3 Walgreen cash for buying 3 of the Walgreen disposable razor. That's the $13 you're looking at. And I got back $4 register reward for buying 2 of the Colgate products, and also $4 register reward for buying the Scope and the floss. I did not get my $10 register reward for buying the 4 Dove products, and I did not find out till I left the store. So what I did was call customer service. The lady on her end said that she couldn't see 4 products, but when you look at my receipt, you can see the 4 Dove products. And she said maybe the cashier scanned one of the items twice, but I don't know how that happened. But she was kind enough to still give me back $10 Walgreen cash. With the spend 40 get $10 Walgreen cash booster I used on this transaction, this ended up being free and a 79-cent money maker. And this ends my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye bye.